What's the meaning of beauty mark? Beauty mark. Beauty mark.
Beauty mark. Beauty mark. A beauty mark is a small, dark spot on the face or body that is considered to enhance a person's attractiveness. Historically, beauty marks were often seen as a sign of elegance and sophistication in women, and were sometimes even artificially added to the face with makeup or ink. They were particularly popular in the 18th and 19th centuries, and were often associated with high society and glamour. Today, beauty marks are still admired by many people, though they are no longer seen as essential for beauty. Some people may choose to leave their natural beauty marks visible, while others may opt to cover them up with makeup.